This is the elevator at Highland Plaza Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Dover Marshall impulse elevator from the 80s, micro key switch, but I heard in a modernized chime, so this may be modernized, but I'm not sure. Without the contacts, I heard them relay controlled, but I heard a modernized chime, so I'm not sure what to expect on the inside. Case fire noise elevators. Oh, good, it's still original on the inside. Go to the basement. Just as a GAL or PTL lantern. That's been modernized, but everything else is original. Basement. Dover Marshall impulse relay controlled. There's the garage, I think, up to 9. Why did it ding twice? We're going up. Here we go. There's some kids' artwork next to the button panel. That's interesting. I actually kind of like that. Sorry for the shakes. Indicator here is a little sticking out, like it fell out, but then someone stuck it back in. Has the chirp because this is relay controlled. Here are 9. Modernized lantern. Go back down to 1. Double chime, but there's a little bit of a delay. 988 phone. This elevator is not in the best condition, sadly. Basic fake wood grain cab from the 80s, relay controlled with the micro key switches. The lantern has been modernized with either GAL or PTL. PTL made a GAL rip-off lantern. There's your certificate. But I think it's GAL because on the PTL rip-off version, the lantern, the arrows stick out more. Here, back at 1. Again, here's the artwork. I'll get a better picture of that. Oh yeah, today. There it goes, and that's it.